Okay, guys. So in this video, we are going to do episode 5 of this scam versus the real one. And we're gonna start with the fake one this time. I found it. This one. It's a mushroom. What is it? I feel like I got another ice cube.
Didn't we get an ice cube?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's not an ice cube.
Oh, it's not an ice cube. What is it?
It's like a dice.
Is it regular or irregular? Oh,
I feel like it's a dice that's melting. It's got dots all over it.
Okay.
Or maybe it's a melting ice cube.
Oh, it's an irregular dice.
Or maybe
Diesel's doing his dance.
okay, I'm back.
You know what? I have a thought. What if this was supposed to be a dice and it didn't come out of the mold right? Or maybe they made it... I don't know. It's very interesting.
Okay. I'll go put it back in my collection. I'll probably keep that in there. Okay, I'm back. Now, we're gonna do number 5 on this one. I found it. It looks really big. It is really big.
What is it exactly?
I don't know, but I'm putting it back.
Could we put it over here so we could see it?
Okay, you guys didn't see it. Right there. Oh, like a shooting star.
Oh yeah. Could that be hung from the Christmas tree?
Yep.
Ornament.
Ornament. You got an ornament. Bye, have a good time.